So the latest saga of the madness of 2022 is that Kim Kardashian has decided to launch a private equity firm.
What? What?
What's a private equity firm? A private equity firm is an investment partnership that raises a pool of money from investors to create funds that go and invest in companies known as target or portfolio companies. Investing in private equity traditionally means purchasing shares in a company in the hope that down the line those shares can be sold for a profit. The investing approach will depend on the type of fund. While some may focus on tech targets, others may focus on consumer targets, among other sectors. The ultimate goal is to generate profit for the investors. Some famous examples of previous targets are Pret, the parent company of Oreo Nabisco, Farfetch, Canada Goose, UFC, among many others. If you're enjoying this content, please don't forget to share, subscribe, and like the page. It was estimated in July this year by Bain that there is $3 trillion of unspent raised cash held by these private equity firms. This is also known as dry powder. So what is Kim K's private equity firm called? It's called Sky with 2 Ks. The focus of Sky is on consumer and media, hospitality, luxury, and digital and e-commerce. Kim Kardashian and her mother Kris Jenner have partnered up with Jay Sammons, a former partner at Carlyle Group, to launch Sky. Carlyle Group is one of the behemoths of the private equity industry, with $376 billion worth of assets under its management. Sammons ran Carlyle Group's global consumer, media, and retail division and has carved out a niche for investing in celebrity-backed ventures. Sammons has previously worked with Supreme, Beats by Dr. Dre, Vogue, and Moncler. It is not immediately clear if Kim K also intends to act as a major investor in the funds. Other grey areas exist on the extent of her role. Will she primarily focus on the promotion of targets? Will her role be operational, and will she work closely with the targets? Will she use her status to draw in potential targets or investors? Will she be involved in the assessment and analysis of targets? Have any other celebrities done anything like this before? Leonardo DiCaprio, Jay-Z, and Serena Williams, to name a few, have launched venture capital firms, which are similar to private equity firms, but operate on a smaller scale. Today's generation of entertainers have an increasing level of financial sophistication, and they are utilizing on the rise of social media platforms to monetize on their personal brands.
It seems like a pretty random thing for her to do, no?
Yes, it has definitely come out of nowhere, and there wasn't much of a build-up up to this point. This does seem like a reasonable direction for her to allocate her amassing wealth to.
How much of this is actually her own initiative, or is she just simply being used to bring clout to this firm?
How genuine her intentions are, though, is yet to be discovered. While her image is often pushed as being a commercially savvy businesswoman,
I have the best advice for women in business. Get your fucking ass up and work.
recently she has come under criticism and legal action over an Instagram post she made in 2021 promoting the cryptocurrency Ethereum Max. In the class action, it's claimed that Kim K and other celebrities collaborated with the inventors to misleadingly promote and sell the cryptocurrency. Class action claims that they ran a pump and dump scheme whereby misleading marketing was used to inflate the price of the asset for it to be later sold to unwitting investors. Another concern will be whether the fund will just act as a pipeline for all her celebrity friends' business ideas.
Is she going through an identity crisis? What happened to being a lawyer?
That is also true. It doesn't scream confidence when you switch off your focus like this. But who knows? She never fails to surprise us, and she may succeed in both. I still respect this. Success or not, she is testing different waters. Kim Kardashian already has a track record as a successful entrepreneur. Her shapewear brand Skims was valued at $3.2 billion in January, and her cosmetic brand Skin has been widely popular. Kim Kardashian has established herself as a highly accomplished, influential business leader with the skill to identify and define culture. She can leverage these experiences to drive the origination of Sky's investment opportunities, develop the team, and create value in the portfolio companies. Her 328 million Instagram followers can be used to generate financial returns and bring awareness and popularity to anything she adds her name to.
With great power comes great responsibility.
Do you think she would lend a hand to Kanye and invest in Yeezy?
Bro, we hate Yeezys.
Hold up, let's see what he's saying.
Kanye seems ready to leave Adidas. He's infuriated by their decision to release Yeezy colorways without his permission. The retroing of older Yeezy models without his permission. Adidas's decision to produce knockoff sandals and trainers that look like Yeezys. And their decision to launch Yeezy Day without his approval. In early September, Ye took to Instagram to call out top executives at Adidas for their decision to leave him out of important meetings in regards to products and planning, and for stealing his ideas. The fate of the Yeezy and Adidas collab is in the air. Adidas apparently offered to buy out Ye for $1 billion, to which he refused, as his royalties alone next year will amount to $500 million, according to him. Back to the original question. Who knows how Kim and Kanye's relationship actually is now? On Keeping Up with the Kardashians, their relationship seemed fine. But since then, Kanye has called out Pete Davidson multiple times on Instagram and even released a diss track.
God sent me from that crash just so I could beat Pete Davidson's ass.
Who?
Could we see an investment into Yeezy from Sky to allow Kanye to leave Adidas and keep the Yeezy machine sufficiently fueled? I'd probably say no. Ye has expressed his distaste for VC. However, he did say that he liked Andreessen Horowitz, so you never know with Kanye. Who knows what Kanye would and wouldn't do? The nature of his personality is how spontaneous and unpredictable he is, which keeps fans and critics on the edge. Ye wants freedom, and the P culture of prioritization of profits won't give him freedom. Their approach may confine Yeezy to operate efficiently to maximize profits at the cost of the gradual build-up of hype and the need to keep inventory levels low. A PE fund's preference on business operations may be too aggressive for Kanye. In some ways, Yeezy makes a good candidate for VC PE funding. First reason is that the infamous Yeezy lineup has proven to be greatly popular with fans. This has been supported by the countless V2 colorways we have seen. This is in spite of the fact that Adidas has been increasing stock volumes. Yeezy now accounts for 68% of Adidas's online sales. Secondly, Adidas does not have any ownership over Yeezy, so Ye has full flexibility in determining whether to sell his shares. And finally, Yeezy stores will soon be opening, with the first one to be in Atlanta. Nevertheless, PE VC funding does not seem appropriate for Kanye. Kim Kardashian launching a private equity firm has to be one of the most unexpected things to happen this year. It is still early days, and the developments will definitely be interesting to follow. The announcement came with very few details, and no funds have been raised with which to carry out the planned investments. It will be interesting to see where this firm goes, the investments it makes, and the role Kim Kardashian plays. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, and like the video. Thank you.